Question everything, trust nothing. It's your boys, Keeper and Crusader. Welcome to Crypto Wars, this edition being Trading Wars. What episode are we on, Crusader?
Episode 6 of this season so far. I keep forgetting we don't have an intro. I don't forget that when you're talking, I'm already on screen.
Well, I actually I bring you up afterwards, right in time when I say Keeper and then you come on. It's very dramatic. Now, Crypto fam, if you haven't already smashed the like, make sure to smash the likes. We got a lot of people backstage ready to do some live trading. We got a fun story for you fun for us to maybe tell, maybe not so fun for the person backstage, but we'll get into that here in just a minute. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and then follow everybody that is on screen today. They are working hard for you. Crusader, let me actually hold on a second. Let me make a little change here. There we go. There's our sponsors. Let me shout them out, and then Crusader, you can give us the rules. Market Cipher, 20%. Yeah, 20% off down in the link below if you're interested in checking out Market Cipher. Shout out to Crypto Face for the sponsorship on that. We love you, bro. HighIQ, don't be stupid. Use HighIQ, another indicator for you. And then ZoomX. Shout out to ZoomX for being a great partner of the show. They have truly been a partner providing all the liquidity for the traders. The traders are not individually sponsored by ZoomX. We at Crypto Wars are, and we just want to say thank you to them. All right, Crusader, give the people what they're looking for. What are the rules?
Rules are simple, man. Nothing to be traded on the show below $1 billion market cap. Everything has to be above $1 billion market cap. The audience can trade whatever they want all 30 days. This is week 3. Next week is the last week. So next Thursday will be the last Trading Wars for season 3 episode. So make sure you get in those trades and make sure you get that profit in, you know, if you're trading out there. So audience can trade whatever they want. They have full access day and night to trade. Traders can only trade during the 1 hour of this show from 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock. That's the only P&L that counts. Yep. And it has to be over $1 billion market cap for the traders on the show.
Yes, sirree. And we've still got some NFTs for sale. They're 0.1 Ethereum. We will bring up the QR code on the screen for you guys to check out. The NFTs are dope. You get 25% of the mint if you pick the winning trader. You get to come on to Flipper Hodl if you pick the winning trader. You get all the goodies that the winning trader is offering. And then if you pick myself or Crusaders, those will both be automatically come on to Flipper Hodl as well. And the next time we play, it's going to be over $2,900. We played earlier.
The first bank offers are like in the 300s, bro.
I know.
You can walk away the first 5 minutes of the game with $300 in your pocket from buying one NFT that has either me or Keeper or the winning trader on it. And somebody already owns mine, so that person's already coming on.
Yes, sir, Bob. So check them out if you haven't already, and then jump into our Discord so that we can get acquainted with you. We would love for you guys to be over there. We also have a QR code that we'll toss up for that. So get linked up with us if you're not already. All right, let's bring up the talent. Actually, let me bring up my team first. Got my boy Honest in the house. Honest, what's up, brother?
Oh, man, same old, man. How y'all doing?
Glad that you are here as always. We got Forrest from Sistine Research. Forrest, what's going on?
Hey, guys. Thanks for having me on.
Glad you're here, bro. And we've got, let's see here. Where is he? There he is. Crypto Crow. Crow, what's good?
Yo, yo, yo.
Who are we missing?
I got 2 more guys that are going to show these fools how to trade in the background here from Team Crusader. Army Piper in the house. What's going on, man?
What's up, brother? How you guys doing, man? Glad to be here.
Doing good, man. Getting ready for this competition. And we got, last but not least, Bullish Trader in the house. What's up, dude?
What up, what up?
Time to make that money.
Yes, sir. We're going to have some fun with it, as always. I feel like, Crusader, I feel like we're missing somebody right now. Yes, we are. Where is AJ?
Oh.
Where's AJ?
That's your team member. That's not my
department. I know.
And he looked like prison food in that picture on the thumbnail. I couldn't tell what was going on with that
we
Twitter
asked him for the best.
We look like what?
For the best headshot, and that's what he sent us.
It looked like we're all in the valley getting ready to shoot a really fun video.
Hold on, I gotta call. I gotta make a phone call. We're putting him on speakerphone. We're putting him on blast. Oh, it's straight to voicemail. That's not a good sign. Let's try one more time.
That's right. It's not Trading Wars. Here he is.
Oh, there he is. It can't be Trading Wars without AJWritesCrypto in the house.
What's good, fam?
What up?
Sorry, I'm late.
No, you're good, AJ. AJ, what is your current account balance?
I already got everybody else. I don't know. Let me look. All right. Oh, wait, that's right. I got liquidated. Yep. 0.
Oh,
I'm
my.
kidding.
Saw that
I'm
coming.
kidding. I'm
Listen to
kidding.
Crow. Crow said, I saw that coming.
Yeah, I knew
know.
that was gonna
Hey.
happen.
It's all good. That's what it's all about. I'm about to get liquidated today. It's all good. That's what this whole show's for. All
AJ,
the
you-
interesting
Nah.
ways to
AJ,
lose it all.
What are you at, AJ?
I'm logging in right now. Hold on.
Okay,
hold on.
you went back in when we called you and told you to claim again the other day, right?
No. Oh no.
Okay. So go in underneath your name, under your UID. Just sorry guys for everybody watching the stream. Just real quick house cleaning.
Is the
Go
show
in
live
under-
already?
Yeah, we're live. We're definitely
Oh
live.
shit. Okay. I thought it went live at 3.
No. You're good. Yeah, go in under your UID and then go into the rewards hub and then claim. That'll be in there. So all right.
Okay.
Let's get into it. Let's start off real quick. We got 3 minutes before the live trading goes. My boy Honest wants to remind everybody. I'll let him tell the story real quick, but my boy Honest wants to remind everybody out there. First of all, you got to be safe when you're trading, and part of safe trading means don't drink and leverage trade. So, Honest,
where was that at?
why don't you tell the people why you shouldn't drink and leverage trade? Honest,
Where was that alpha at? Okay, because I have been telling y'all that I have only been trading for around a year. Okay, where was the don't drink and trade?
It's all over the signs on the freeway. Oh no, that's don't drink and drive. But in the crypto space,
so-
it's don't drink and trade.
I had a nice little night out, man. It was a beautiful night out. That morning I had already made my trades. I sent Keeper a screenshot
You were up.
of the ZoomX portfolio. I had a little over $1,700 in there. I was doing my thing. I had just won some money on some Bitcoin frogs and shit, and one sold, and I made like $3,500. So I had another account, and I was twin trading off of both accounts, and I kept drinking while I was trading, and I got really hyped. I don't know if y'all, to the traders know, hey, when you start winning, you feel invincible. And when you're drinking, nothing costs too much. So I went from feeling invincible and nothing costs too much to getting liquidated out of this account and losing all my Bitcoin.
Oh my god!
So
So
yeah.
yeah.
Not all, but I'm talking about the Bitcoin I got from the Bitcoin frog. It was like
Right,
a 1.2
right.
or something like that.
Hey
I mean,
AJ, could you
1.1.
retweet also?
Yeah. I'm still
yeah,
trying to,
so-
what's my what is the number I gave you? Because I have like 3 accounts and I forget which one it is.
You forget. Oh my god.
My UID that I sent you?
Yeah, hold on. Let me look real quick. I think I got it written down right here. AJ,
Sorry.
you're okay. Let me drop it in the private chat for you because I don't think I
Facts.
want to announce it on the stream.
Yeah, it's all good.
Hold on a second.
In the meantime, guys, smash those likes if you haven't already. Share out the live if you haven't. Hit that sub button if you haven't. All right, we got 1 minute. 1 minute before it's 4 o'clock.
You see it down there,
3 o'clock,
AJ?
and it's ready to trade. So, you guys looking at any trades right now? What are you guys looking at? How are you guys feeling about the market right now?
Oh, okay.
Sketch.
Selling jumping.
So you're thinking about shorting.
I just
Yeah,
actually
pretty much
closed
right
the
now.
short. I started right when I logged in with you guys, and it was in the money actually, but the fees ate it up. So I'm like $10 less than I was.
I'm
when
going
I
to reach
started.
through this computer and shake you, Crow. I'm going to shake you.
Hey, well, it's just when you're dealing with leverage and like high dollar amounts, the fees are just higher. You got to do it on limits, and I'm doing it on markets in and out. So it's my own fault. It's not the exchange.
I'm
It's
just giving
just-
you a hard time.
I do that shit all the time.
Let me jump into the chat and say hi real quick. Justin Eubanks in the house says, "Let's go, Piper Gang." I want to remind everybody that is in the chat. We are doing Flipper Hodl as well. So every dollar of a super chat that you toss out there, get your name on the wheel once. That wheel is going to be spun to come on and play for $2,900. If you haven't seen the game, it's a mix between Deal or No Deal. and
It's
Who
3
Wants to
o'clock,
Be a
guys.
Millionaire.
You can start trading.
And it's 3 o'clock. So let's do it. Army Piper's in the house. I see him in the chat. Eric Wallen, Iconic Crypto, Nick Trading, Saul Crusader, and I win. What did we win earlier, Crusader? About $700
What are you talking about?
or $800
For
on Flipper Hodl.
For Hodl, $850.
$850. Yep.
$850. Dude, the bank offer was $888.
Yeah.
The one before that was
It is
500
cheap.
and
Son
something
of
dollars.
Yes, sir. Green Day Profits in the house. Gazgano Crypto Chef wants to know, is this Trading Wars or a gay porn showdown? Well, thank you very much. We really appreciate all your support there.
Actually, that was
Crypto
my
Fam.
quote from my response to the tweet.
Oh,
Well, because we got the built Under Armour guy down there with his shirt off, and I'm like, is he like the train gang leader? Or he's like the big boss dick in the fucking thumbnail. And I'm like, what is happening here? What am I getting into? Then you see AJ just looking like a deer in headlights, and I'm like, oh, so he's the innocent little guy that everybody's jumping prison style. I'm like, the whole thing is set up like a big movie.
Good luck.
Oh, sounds like you've watched one too many movies. I'm not going to ask any questions on that one.
Hey, don't judge. Don't
No
judge.
judgment. No judgment. No judgment. So we love you guys. We appreciate everybody for being here. Again, follow all the traders on the show. Smash the like. Do all of the simple YouTube things that we ask you to do. If you're on mobile, just X out in the live chat. Come right back in after you smash that like. We appreciate it.
Somebody's saying that they're long on Solana.
Somebody's saying they're long on Solana. What do you got, AJ?
I got 1790.8.
Okay, cool.
1790.8.
Cool. All right, crypto fam, you guys can get after it. Trading family, let's do it. Let's have some fun today. Hey, we're talking while you guys are looking at trades.
Just call one out whenever you guys are jumping into a trade. Call it out. We'll bring your screen up. And,
Yeah,
and see what's up.
I'm in a trade.
I'm in a trade.
All right.
Everybody this season is a sneaky trader. Nobody wants to call out their trades.
Army, what you got? Show it to me, and then I'll go to you, Bullish.
I am in a Ethereum short.
Okay. Why are you shorting Ethereum?
Because if I go over here,
because it's going to go down, Keeper.
Because it's a sinking ship.
No, because we got rejected off the golden pocket here. We got a ribbon twist coming in on the Prime Oscillator MVP. We RSI Prime just kicking down off of the 70% line and getting a nice Hikinashi candle there. And then we got a ribbon twist on the Prime Oscillator Pro. So I had multiple confluence for a downside move here.
So we got lots of confluence on ChartPrime. All right. So ETH short. What do you got going on, Bullish?
What's the size of your position? Hold on. What was the size of your position in that trade?
My entry price or my value, I mean, on this one is $2,081 on a 20x.
$2,081 on a 20x.
Yeah. Position margins $105. So
all right. Cool. Bullish, what do you got going on? Show it to me.
I took a Solana short. I actually missed my limit order, which kind of pissed me off. So I had to get in quick on a market order, so I didn't get where I wanted. We got rejected off the VWAP, and we were a little overbought on the RSI. So just in general, this kind of needs to cool off. So easy short, just playing normal indicators. We'll see where it plays out. I'm hoping for like a 59.60 range down here. That should be a nice little 10-15% trade. We'll see what happens.
We like 10-15% trades. Heck yeah.
Team Crusaders in the trades already, baby, trying to make that money.
Oh, that's right. He's on the other team. We need that.
Both are.
Oh yeah, that's right.
My team's on trade, bro. Your team.
I want to shout out right quick. Iconic Crypto Nick Trading. $10 super chat says, let's go, boys. Actually, that's $10 in Canadian. He's been tossing us Canadian bucks, but we'll take them. We appreciate you, brother. That puts your name on the wheel another, I think, probably about 8 times. I think $10 ends up being about 8 Canadian bucks.
Something like that.
We appreciate you for all your support, brother. You've been around, and thank you for that. All right, my team. What we got going on? We searching. Forrest, I know you probably got something going on. What do you got?
Yeah, I'm long on Chainlink and Dogecoin. I'll kind of walk through those real quick.
Yeah, sure.
I can share my screen, right?
Yes, sir. I'm sure you can figure it out.
I'm surprised he's not in 20 trades already.
Yeah, I'm not pair trading right now. I'm just directional because so I've got most of the account in like an 11x long on Chainlink right now.
Okay.
So let's just get rid of that. You guys can see this, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. So I mean, I think there's some news coming up. I think Chainlink staking just went live for like the first wave of people, and then it goes live publicly like in December. But we have a nice ascending triangle here, which is a bullish pattern. Obviously they can break down, but most of the time they do break upwards. And just catching this in this entry point, it might come down a little bit, but I've got my stop loss set below this prior low. If it makes a new low, then the pattern's busted, and you just move on to the next trade. But targeting probably close to $18. So this is a trade that I don't expect this to pan out. But this is the 4-hour chart. This is probably going to take like a couple days, maybe even a couple weeks to play out. But The entry is really nice here in the short term. So as far as like the profit made in this 1 hour time frame, give or take, it could be up or down. Then Dogecoin, kind of similar setup, almost an ascending triangle. We kind of had a deviation up here, but again, these higher lows. And then Dogecoin looks really bullish on a swing trading time frame as well. So, you know, it's not an ideal entry right here, because ideally you'd have an entry along this kind of trend line right here. But we're seeing this expanding volatility pattern for Dogecoin of higher highs and higher lows.
Okay.
Anytime you see that in a bullish market, it's really good signal to
this is not Barney.
Hey.
And then the last thing with Dogecoin is just we've smashed through this long-term downtrend line. You know, probably looking to go to 10 to 12 cents here, hopefully, if we get a nice little pump, and if Elon will cooperate and send out a tweet.
That'd be great.
So, Forrest, let me ask you something. Are you the type of trader? I don't think I've ever asked you this before. Are you the type of trader that just looks for opportunities, period? You have no care in the world what the asset is. You're just looking for opportunities, or do you have particular things that you enjoy trading, like that you regularly trade?
Oh yeah, I don't care. If I see a chart that looks bullish, it could be Dogecoin, Pepe. It could be just the most garbage assets on the planet. But if the chart looks good or the chart looks bad, I'm shorting or longing.
I think AJ is the same way. AJ, what you got going on down there?
You know me, I'm a hunter.
He's hunting. AJ is on the prowl.
I'm looking.
AJ is on the prowl. So we got
Big Time looks good.
What'd you say?
Big Time.
Big Time.
Yeah, Big Time. It's looking
Is that
$1 billion?
Is that $1 billion market cap?
Oh yeah, that's right. You guys and your rules. You guys and your rules, man.
Yeah,
you got so many rules, man.
That thing, AJ.
Oh, it's one rule. It's one rule.
You guys and all your rules.
I know. We you know, everybody wants the SEC knocking on their door saying you're pumping tokens or something, you know.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, just trying to make sure, you know. Crow, what's up with you, bro? How's that sucker?
I'm in a short. Man, I love my suckers.
I know. You go through a bunch of those, don't you?
Oh, dude, I fuck a sucker up. It's like my wife's not complaining. So I'm in a short right now.
All right.
I actually set up a limit short and it triggered. So I'm in the short. I'm positive like $6. I'm hoping it doesn't bounce down. I'm actually looking, and if I can close this thing out, I'm going to let it go through the show, and I'm either going to get fucked up if it reverses on me, or I'm probably going to close it somewhere at the bottom of this support level around 37,716. So I'm probably going to set up a take profit at 37,716. Hope it hits.
Did you put the whole bag at 50x? Is that what
sure
I'm
did.
Let's go.
We got a $56,000 trade coming out of Crow, ready to rock out with it.
I'm going to end up on AJ's boat. We're just going to like hunt fish in the open sea together with nothing else.
There you go. You get rich or get wrecked, baby.
Honest, I know you're dealing with you know, Crusaders leftovers, you know, on the bag there, but you getting into anything yet?
Yeah, I got into a long.
What are you in?
And let me.
Well, that Solana short's ripping right now.
Right, so honest, you are. What is that? Toncoin?
Yeah, Toncoin.
Okay. You say you're in a short.
No, I'm in a long.
Oh, okay. I saw the red candle and was hoping that you said short because it looked like.
I'm in a good point, but yeah, for sure.
I saw that red candle and said, "I hope he went short on that." But
let's check out Bullish is short. He said it's ripping.
Oh yeah, my bad. What you got, Bullish?
Yeah, you know, Prime just playing indicators, nothing special with anything else. I just played the top of RSI because we were kind of overbought. Now we're going to see if we can play with trying to get back over the 10 or 20. I'm looking for like a 59, 55 cash out area, but we'll see what happens here. If we look at the chart, there's a pattern here, and we're just going to go simply by moving averages and candles. You know, go back about an hour. It seems to be fluctuating every hour. It's rejection against the 10 and 20. Then we break above. We have a few candles above the 10 and 20. Prior rejections, break above. I think we're just following that same pattern because we're sideways trading today. I just got in at the perfect spot when RFI was at the peak of overbought. So if there's no rejection here and we move back up, I'll cash this out. I'm in the green right now. I'll be in the green all the way until about midway candle.
Okay.
But if we stay rejected, I'm looking for probably around a 59, 55 range cash out. But
how much prop are you in right now? 2%, 3%?
2.5%, 3%.
Let's
Okay.
go.
And
Come
what
on,
size
we
was
gotta
what
get
size
those
was the
green
trade again?
numbers for Team Crusader, baby.
5,000.
5K trade for bullish. He is up a couple percent.
Yeah.
All right.
You can hang out. I'm not doing anything crazy. We're just trading and teasing each other. We like to tease AJ. See the really young looking kid over here? It's like 14. I'm talking to my wife about you, AJ.
He's like 14.
Yeah. Come say hi to everybody. That
He's
way they
like
know
14.
that I have a wife, and
It's like
That's somebody who actually sleep with you. Yeah,
Your
yeah,
wife
yeah.
is way nicer than you. I must
yeah,
say.
she's way nicer than I am.
She's way nicer than you, and better
Yeah.
looking
It's
than
like
you
the-
too. How
She's
did you
evil
land
though.
that?
You got to be careful. You got to watch her.
She's
Well,
definitely
like
not
this
taller
natural
than.
Brady
She's definitely
bunch on
not
here.
taller. I'm gonna tell you that. She's definitely not taller than you.
What are you looking at me like that for?
we're like the dysfunctional Brady bunch on here. The
Yeah,
youngest
Only
one had
Wednesday, so
games.
she's only Wednesday on Thursdays.
Army,
Crypto fam.
how's that?
Go ahead.
Oh, sorry. How's
Go ahead.
that trade going?
It's still about even. I did enter into a link
That's what we did
long.
for an hour.
Yeah, I did
Trying
enter
to
into a
get
link
wrapped in.
long here. Let me pull that up.
We've already
I
had
was
one
watching this
liquidation.
here on link.
Boss is still
We
paying
were
broke.
heading down pretty low, starting to get a green candle popping up on RSI Prime. Had our MVP triggering off bottom indicator here in the green candles. So went on long on that. It's up about 0.5% right now. So
Nice. Let's go.
All right. So
a
we got
lot of
few-
sideways action.
Yeah, it seems like the middle of the
Back
day
out,
can be
already
tough. We either
seen.
get we either get a lot of action based on some news. We've seen a number of Mondays where that has happened, or we get some sideways action. It's why it's so hard for you guys to trade, because and I want to remind everybody that's watching, you've got professional traders that make money regularly trading. That's what they do, and this is difficult for them. So one of the reasons that somebody won $1,000 last month is very simple, because you guys are allowed to trade 24/7 and trade anything you want. They are confined to the 1 hour time frame, and that is what they are being judged upon, no matter what market conditions are, and they have to trade. So it's
We should be
difficult
doing
not
this
to
at
do.
9 a.m. though.
Listen, if you guys
Yeah.
can all come on at that time, fan freaking
Everyone
tastic.
can.
It's
It just
everybody's
keeps-
All my
schedule.
good trades are done
just got
within,
appointments at
between
that time.
9 and like 11. That's where all my easy to spot setups. That's where all that shit happens.
All the
I'm
easy
talking
trades
half
are
an
at
Crusader.
that time. All the
What
easy
time zone
trades.
you talking about there?
Yeah, the scheduling's tough. It seems like, and I'll include myself in this with my other business. Mornings are really tough, but I know that from talking to other people, like everybody's always got something going on. So scheduling is one of the hardest things about doing the show is getting everybody to be able to come on at the same time. It's one of the things that we deal with every single season. We've got next season starting off in about 2 weeks from today? A little bit less than 2 weeks, actually.
Yeah,
We've got
less to do. We got like
this
a
show,
week and a half.
Monday, and then Thursday. Who's going to be in Miami? I'm going to be in Miami. Crusader's going to be in Miami. AJ's in Miami. Bullish is in Miami. Honest is in Miami. Crow's not in Miami because he's going to be out in Vegas with me, right, Crow?
Yeah, I got to stare down my opponent and
That's
I'll be
fear
there.
God in this
Do all the
motherfucker.
I
things.
can't wait for Vegas. I'm more excited for Vegas than I am for
Oh,
Miami.
AJ,
for sure.
you're coming out. You're coming out to Vegas too.
Come
Heck
on,
yeah,
hell
Honest is going to be
yeah.
out there too, right? Honest,
Nice.
he's coming, right? Yes, sir. He's coming. He is coming. I convinced him to come.
I'm
He's like-
legitimately
he's like,
looking
not
forward
out
to
to
Vegas.
Keeper, I
vacation.
can't come, man. I'm gonna
Dude.
be in Mexico, bro. I'm going on a cruise on the 12th.
Are you serious?
Man, I would not be going on no damn cruises right now.
What?
But look,
Why? What's going on?
But
with the
look,
cruises?
the actual fight,
You'll be there. All right.
I'm there. I'm there
Alright.
with tassels
Guess-
on. I promise you.
I guess I'm.
What
gonna
happened with the
have to
cruise
wash my
ships,
own
Crow?
trash.
Yeah, let me know.
Man.
Give me some Alpha Crow.
Because there's already a new virus or whatever coming out of China they're talking about. And when it happened the first time, Kristen and I were on the first cruise we had ever been on. And we were on the last ship. The ship that boarded right after us was stuck at sea for a fucking month
Oh,
because of the Ronas.
A month?
Yeah, dude, they were doing that. They were
I didn't
getting
remember
stuck
that it was that
outside.
long.
Yeah, they were
Hey,
getting
I was
stuck
on a
outside.
cruise ship. They were wiping the walls with bleach when I was on the cruise ship.
Damn.
I came out my room on the third
get me
day, and everybody
started.
was wiping the walls with bleach. They said we couldn't touch the food. I was like,
We'll
what's
probably
going on?
never go on a cruise again. That was hell, man. That was so bad.
Johanna said that Argentina rejected a BRICS invitation.
Of course, because Argentina just got a new president that's all about Bitcoin, and he ain't about none of that commie
That's
stuff.
right. He's not about that life. That's
Well, they
right.
rejected BRICS, and also you got to forget Argentina looks pretty close to the United States.
Give me 1 second.
That was a political move.
Yeah, for sure. Any updates on any other trades? Bullish? Anybody got anything going on with one of the
Short,
trades popping up?
short looking beautiful.
Yeah, my short's starting to get a little bit heavy.
Let's go. How's your short, Crow? Let me see. Let's go up 14
I mean, it's
bucks.
only
Maybe
at
I see that.
$15, but
Making that money. Oh, it's dropping right now. What are you shorting? Bitcoin?
yeah.
Let's go.
Let's see here.
It's
What
got
we
ADD though. It's like up and down like a yo-yo.
So, Crow, you're up, right? You're up on your trade.
He's up
a little
on his trade,
bit.
He's up a little bit. We got Army is sitting flat. Army, or are you
Sitting flat, man.
sitting flat?
I'm like $1.21.
Damn, you better cash out and freaking retire. Honest. What about you, bro? He's sitting flat. Forrest, how you sitting?
I'm down $6 on the Doge trade. We're up 50 on the Chainlink trade.
Let's go. 50
I
bucks.
like it.
Holy
50
smokes.
bucks quickly. And that's a trade that you were talking about. Hey, this might be a couple day trade. Good call on that one. Bullish. How you sitting? Up.
He's up. He's up a little bit right now.
Yeah, sorry, I had to mute and say something real quick. And when he was talking, I think. And then AJ, you still hunting or you get into something yet?
Yeah, render short. I'm up 24.
Okay. And are you going full AJ with it? Are you at like 150x or what?
What
Share your screen.
Let me see. Share your screen. Yeah, I'm guessing you probably did some sort of wild leverage with this. That's my guess.
Yeah. Hold on. I'm too busy. Hold on.
Okay. No, you're good. You're good. I remember when I first talked to AJ about trading, we were down in the Bahamas for the SBF trial. And I could tell immediately when I was talking to him about it, I was like, this guy knows how to trade. Also, this guy probably trades like a wild man. I could just tell from when I was talking to him. I was like, he's going full all in. It's balls to the wall or nothing. I could tell the first time I talked to you about trading, AJ. I was like, oh yeah, that's my kind of that's my kind of trader right there.
That was a good day.
Yeah, that was a fun time for sure. All right, so Evan Casey says he's long BTC. Who else in the chat? There was a few people talking about some of their trades. Let me ask this, gentlemen, macro, we long or short on the overall macro markets right now? What are we thinking? Are we going to get a Santa rally? Who thinks we're going to get a Santa rally? Who thinks we're not?
We had one last year.
Piper, we going to get a Santa rally this year?
I think we will actually. Yeah, I think, but I don't think that we're going to see any real movement until January, man.
Okay. All right. Bullish, you started to say we saw one last year. So what?
Yeah, I think December will be when Bitcoin touches 40K. I think we'll probably see like maybe a 2600 ETH. The dailies look really nice, man. Monthly chart looks really good too. So we'll see what happens. I'm more bullish on the monthly charts than I am dailies right now. But I mean, if everything plays out right, I could definitely see Bitcoin touching 40K, maybe a 2500 ETH.
As long as it doesn't touch 50K before the halving, my Ethereum is safe. I got a 1 ETH bet.
I'm on 50K
with Bleed.
Yeah,
I want to keep my Ethereum.
I don't think you're going to see a run with the halving stuff until about 30 to 60 days out. That doesn't usually happen until,
we get that
ETF
ETF approval before.
Maybe.
Even then, like that's a big debate too. I mean, you guys keep forgetting it's a buy the rumor, sell the news. We're in the rumor stage right now. Bitcoin's pumping. News like that's not something that's going to make the market go crazy. If any trader here has been trading as long as I have, can anybody come up here and tell me when the news did you justice for your trade? It's always the rumor stage. So I'm not very bullish on the day they actually say the ETF is live. I wouldn't be surprised if that's actually a red day, if you want me to be honest.
Exactly.
But as far
They're
as
going to
long
take everything
term,
they bought and dump it. Buy back in cheaper officially under the FTX.
You got to just ride the rumor wave right now. It's a big rumor. You want that rumor for the ETF to push off way before the happening, because you're going to see a dump when they announce the news, and then we're going to work our way back up into the happening for that rumor. You know,
Crusader would argue that with you. Crusader, tell him why you think that's wrong.
I mean, I wouldn't argue that we could see a possible red day the day of.
Oh,
but
no. I mean,
100% believe that when the ETF is approved and BlackRock starts dumping the money into the spot ETF, yeah, like it is blast off time. I'm not saying we're gonna hit new all-time highs right off the rip, but we're gonna definitely see a pump off that. Just so much money being put into Bitcoin on spot in that moment that, you know.
But don't you think they're loading their bags right now because they've got to basically back what they're
but they got to sell it to somebody.
Yeah, but if they've already got it,
but they got to sell it to their clients, and that's where the pump comes from. Right? Old money, old rich money coming in to buy their Bitcoin.
No, what I'm saying is if they've already bought it, that has already happened. They're holding it.
Well, so here's what happened. They didn't
sell
actually
Bitcoin to somebody to dump the price on them. Bitcoin's
they didn't have Bitcoin to begin with. They were set up like Cathie Woods. They were invested in the Grayscale. So what they did is they dumped all their Grayscale Bitcoin, and they've been buying Bitcoin directly from the blockchain for their own ETF, just like Grayscale.
For the miners, because they've been invested in all the mining operations.
Yeah, look at them. BlackRock owns half of Mara and Riot now. I mean,
half of the freaking world.
You know, not financial advice, but if you're not buying Mara and Riot right now with it happening coming up, you guys are out of your fucking mind. They both went over $50 the last bull run when hash rates were half of where they're at now. So
what are those? So Mara is one that my accountant actually, when I was talking to him about crypto, was telling me about. What's Mara at right now? It was like $5 when he was talking to me about it.
I think it got its way back in the double digits. I want to say it's maybe $11 or $12 right now. I haven't looked in a while.
Yeah.
But in my personal opinion, not financial advice, those are stocks that I would put in an IRA for the next bull run, because those are the type of stocks that will retest all-time highs.
That is really good financial advice. Thank you. I'm going to do exactly that.
Thank you. Did you hear what your financial advisor said, Crow? He just told you exactly what to do.
I hate it when people do that to me in my comments. This is not financial advice. Thank you for the financial advice. I can't wait to call my I know. Shut the hell up, you bastard.
Puddle says Mara is at $12.08.
Yeah, look, dude, just like I think 4 or 5 months ago, it was $5, bro. That's 100%. That's over. That's 120% return in 6 months.
Yeah, my accountant made some bands on that for sure, and he was telling me about it. I was like, I'm just going to stick with most of my crypto. He's like, well, I mean, it is crypto. It's just obviously on the stock market. I said, no, I get it. And I didn't end up jumping into that. And looking back on it, I would have made some really good money on that. I think I would have probably 10x'd. I think he showed it to me at $5, $4, something like that.
Dude, Mara was one of the stocks that fucking Robinhood was giving away for free. Like 2 years ago.
Whoa, when you would sign up and they would give you free,
dude.
Interesting.
And it ran to what, almost $70. Riot ran to $79.80. They were like $10 off with each other the whole fucking bull run.
Crypto Independent said somebody already found the BlackRock wallet. They have over 40,000 Bitcoin and still accumulating.
Whoa!
That wouldn't surprise me.
Yay!
That's a big red candle.
That wouldn't.
All right, who's making money on that red candle?
I'm at plus 35 now.
I'm still in that, baby. Let's go.
Still red? I mean, candle's still red. You still green?
Oh yeah.
It's still going.
Oh,
right, it's still going.
Look at that thing. Come on. Is your take profit already set in there, or you're just
I'll market it just because, dude. It didn't buy. My buy order didn't hit, so I'm gonna wait and market it. I'm looking for. Like I said, my exit point is right here. I believe this is where we're going to touch. There's a major support right here. It was resistance. So we could consider this a double top, quote unquote, if you want to say. Usually when you find a bottom after a double top, you break out, and then your double top becomes your support. So that's where I'm looking for an exit. I feel like we're going to bounce here. This is kind of where we'll stay and probably start moving back up to test the VWAP again.
Okay,
perfect.
Crypto fam, if you have not already signed up underneath our link, we've got it pinned in the chat. It's also down below in the description of the video. We're giving $1,000. Well, ZoomX is giving $1,000 to somebody that can beat these teams. And the teams currently are both in the negative overall because of how freaking hard we have made this challenge. So
that might change today.
Somebody won $1,000 last month. Somebody's probably going to win $1,000 this month. That's what I'm throwing out there. So
Bitcoin's dumping and Crow is cashing in on that dump right now. He's up like $50.
Well, this rune trade. Who's in this rune trade that you got pulled up?
That's not a rune trade. It's Bitcoin.
Oh, I kept looking up higher. It said rune. I was looking a little bit higher. So Crow's making him some money. I like it. Army, how we doing?
Not static anymore. I closed out like 92-cent profit.
What?
Hey, sideways, and I was like, went over and I was like, I'm gonna start looking for something else, so I'm not splitting my vision here.
Yeah, for sure.
Let's get it. Let's get that green profit, baby.
All right, so
Let's
Army.
We're almost halfway through the show. We're at 27 minutes in, practically halfway through. Keep that in mind as you're jumping into these trades and try to get as much profit as possible. Since we are in the third week, both teams are negative. We're on survival mode here to see what team can outlast the other.
Yeah, that's for sure. And shout out to our sponsors, Market Cipher, 20% off. You can grab that down below in the description. Don't be stupid. Use HighIQ. Shout out to our boy Ben Armstrong. Thank you for the sponsorship on that. And then, ZoomX, providing all the liquidity. They have been a hell of a partner. We appreciate them for allowing the traders to be able to come on, play, have fun. And then hopefully, traders, you're not only having fun, but you're getting some education along the way. That's why we've got people, giving.
I closed that short at plus $54, but
plus 54. Nice.
I'm down 66.
Huh?
Exactly.
Okay. All right. Let's see here. We have got Forrest. You still killing it on that chain link trade?
Now it's come down a little bit. The whole market's kind of drawing down like $8 now on the Dogecoin long. We're up like $28 on the link. So
okay,
yeah. Wouldn't be surprised if Link comes all the way back down to the trend line around 14. I think 14 is actually the ideal entry if you can kind of wait, but I don't know if we'll get there within the confines of this hour or so. Okay. But yeah, chain link at $14 I think is a solid buy, and looking to trade it up towards 18 on like a multi-day, multi-week time frame.
All right. Looking a little bit longer term. Forrest is definitely looking at this from a big, more of a macro scale for sure. AJ, checking in. What's going on? You propping us up or you pulling us down? What you doing?
I'm down $90.
All right.
I was in the render trade and I was up 50, and then I went and looked at a couple charts and I went back and I was down like I was like, oh shit.
It's funny how that happens at 100x or whatever.
I exited out and then I went to Avalanche, and Avalanche has just been like coming up. And I tried this short and it popped. And I'm like, Jesus. So now I'm waiting. I'm trying to catch a falling knife with Avalanche, but the other way. Trying to catch a rising knife, if that makes sense.
Trying not to get stabbed. It sounds like you're getting stabbed trying to grab that rising knife.
Something like that.
Yeah.
Something like that.
Trying to get the big dick candle.
Yeah, well, I always just like, the whole bag, 20 some leverage, and just hope. And then if it rips down, you start winning and the show gets exciting. That's the point.
Question for you guys.
What up?
Abel Matthews says they have to sell it to their investors at whatever spot is, right? So does anyone know? Are they selling at a premium?
So I'll explain how it works. It works the same way Webull works. So if you buy on Webull and say Ethereum is trading at $2,000 and it's selling. So when you look at Webull, it's always about $100 to $150 off between the buying volume and the selling volume. So if you have ETH sitting at 2,000 and you buy ETH through a spot ETF, you'll probably get each Ethereum around 1925, maybe 1950. I don't know how BlackRock's going to do it, but you actually will not get the actual value of the ETH. You'll get whatever it is minus fees deducted, because they're going to have to deduct transaction fees as well. Okay. So
all right.
It's kind of fucked up the way it works, but it is what it is.
So there's definitely a there's a premium on it. It's just kind of a backwards way of
For sure, there's always going to be a premium on these kind of things, right? It's just
Yeah, Webull does the same thing. It's going to be the same way. I mean, Webull basically has their own ETFs, just for day traders. Well, I just got stopped out. At least I was in profit.
All right, that's positive.
That's
right?
good.
Stopped out in profit. We like it.
Let's get it.
We like
And
it.
now we're reversing.
Smash those likes, Crypto Fam. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you're following everybody. Follow Army, follow Honest, follow Forrest, follow Bullish, follow Crow, follow AJ. All their information is down below. Make sure to give them a shout. And then also just a reminder, we are playing Flip or Hodl again soon. It'll be for $2,900. So if you want to throw out a super chat to get your name on the wheel, every dollar that you put in, we'll put your name on the wheel one time and give you the opportunity for us to spin the wheel and get somebody on here, and we'll be playing for $2,900. So I'm excited to play it again.
I set up another limit short.
Okay.
So if it drops down again, then I'll pick up an order. But if it doesn't, then it is what it is. And if it does pick it up, I'm probably not going to touch it again, no matter what the fuck goes on, until it's down to like 37.5.
Okay. So
you got to have like $100 plus to make any kind of profit after fees on such high leverage.
The leverage is killer. That's happened to me. I've learned that the hard way too.
Yeah. I'm trying to like negate that a little bit with the limits, but I don't know. Let's see.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, it's as if you're trading with, 20,000, 50,000, 60,000, whatever it is. So,
it's a small fee, but it's a huge number. So,
yeah, exactly. If you were actually trading with that dollar amount, and you're like, oh, okay, like a $30 fee or what, it'd be like,
25x. My little $1,100 book is basically almost 1.5 Bitcoin.
Yeah,
that's wild.
So I'm paying the fees on 1.5 Bitcoin with $1,200.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
That'll be on any and all platforms for sure, because they're allowing you to trade and make money as if you're trading with more than you are.
I don't even know what Zmex's fee structure is. I mean, I'm sure it's fairly comparable, or nobody'd really be able to get any business. So
yep, for sure. They all compete pretty heavily with each other. So
high leverage is a double-edged sword for the scalps.
For sure.
Yeah. Got to be able to.
All right, I hop back into another Solana short after that big candle.
Oh man.
Yeah, I mean, it's been having trouble. We're at VWAP, but we're also peaked at RSI. It's kind of scary, regardless of the candle being green. I think we're probably going to get rejected off of VWAP again. This is ideally where I think we're going to have to end up retesting, no matter how we look at it, which is that 59.50 range. But we're testing VWAP again. We'll see what happens. I took another short right above the VWAP. So we'll see if that can move back down in the next 30 minutes. These candles are scary. These usually end up red afterwards. So we'll see what happens.
Let's get it. I hope you're right. Get that green profit for Team Crusader.
For Team Keeper, we're trying to keep our little bit of a lead. It's a thin margin. It is a thin margin.
What is it again?
We are down. Well, last we checked. Now we haven't obviously finished the week out, but it was 12.24% down for Team Keeper and 12.94% for Team Crusader. So it's 0.7, not even a full percent is the difference. So it is tight. So gentlemen, what you do matters.
Yeah, what happens in this show right here today will matter for next week.
Yes, sir.
I got 2 longs opened up right now.
Let's go.
Let's see what you got.
I got AVAX on a long. Running it at
what'd you do? 50x, 100x? What'd you do?
Scary long.
It's a 20x on AVAX, and I do have another position over here ready if I need to add to it. And then I've got ADA on a trade right now, running it at a 75x with about $30. So just chipping away.
Let's get it. Come on, smash those likes, guys. Let's get 100 likes in here. We got 100 people. We've got what? How many likes we got right now? We got 30 likes and 100 people in here. Come on, guys.
Come on. Yeah, for sure. It's the easiest thing to do, and it lets YouTube know that you guys are enjoying the show. I know you are. We hear from you guys all the time. And if you are not already following us on Twitter, please make sure to follow us on Twitter. Let me pull this up because we put out a lot of information over there as to what's going on with the show. We have rebranded to Crypto Wars. I was zoomed in on it. Crypto Wars OG right here. So at Crypto Wars OG, make sure to follow us on Twitter. We appreciate all of your support. And yeah, be giving out information over there, and then jump into our Discord.
You want to play a quick round of Flipper Hodl?
How are you going to do a quick round with 48 cases? We can try. We can try.
See how to click them fast.
We can try. If you haven't seen Flipper Hodl, guys, we have token companies coming on and giving tokens, and we've got $1,000. There will be $2,900 the next time we play. 48 cases. We actually do questions in between the rounds. So Bullish came on recently and did the bull token for the community. But yeah, we ask questions in between the rounds is what's happening. And those are multipliers. So if you get the question correct, it's going to add another 1 to 5% onto what you made. We are actively trying to give away as much money as possible.
Yeah, first offer $275, and I lost the 1945 already.
You lost the banger right off the rip.
Yeah, we still got 17, 15, 12, 1100, and 1,000 on there.
So blast through it. Just now. Obviously, we would talk through these and whatnot. But all right, so he blasts through 5 more cases. Ooh, you hit some big numbers. Offers down to 266.
265.
But dude, think about it. We've got people tossing in super chats for somewhere between $1 and $20 or whatever. Unless you're Army coming on trying to get me to add 99 names onto a.
If I'm in the chat watching, man, it's coming. Just so you know. So.
Which we appreciate all the support. But yeah, I mean, ultimately these bank offers
now.
Yeah, right off the rip are way more than worth it. And it got, what was the bank offer for us last time we played? $888.
$888, man. That was
because we
game.
had cleaned out so much on the left
side. Yeah, the whole left side.
Yeah, for sure. So, like I said, it's like Deal or No Deal and Who Wants to Be a Millionaire.
Yeah, we're obviously not doing the questions. Ooh, the offer was $326 on that.
I want to be a millionaire.
Yeah, so ultimately you'll pick 5 cases. Boom, we'll have a question for a multiplier. Pick 5. Oh,
390.
The offer's up to almost $400. Now talk about this. Look
at this. We only got $1, 12, and 15 on the left side.
Which, remember, this game's hard because that could be in your case, the case that you always want to keep. So keep it playing. Let's see what you got.
Let's go. Come on.
Let's keep it rocking. See what's going on.
1,500.
Oh man, that was a banger.
300.
That was a banger. That really is going to hurt. Oh, you got rid of the $1.
Yeah, just
$416 is the offer.
Let's go.
That's just the bank offer.
Let's get rid of this $12, bro. Let's get rid. Oh,
$12. Yeah, that hurts. That hurts. Oh yeah.
Man.
So he's either 12 or
7.
Oh, $12, $250, or $775. So,
21 or 28.
All right,
know, guys.
Gentlemen.
21.
Chat. Bullish says 21.
$12, baby. Let's go. So you're walking away with $250 or $775.
$775. So, gents, are we keeping it or changing it? I vote to change it.
I vote to keep. I'm always
all right. So change. Let's go. Who else?
I say keep because last time we changed.
All right. So hold on. Let's go around. So Crusader and Bullish said stay. Me and Forrest said change it. Okay. Who else?
I said keep.
I'm going.
Okay. So honestly, keep it. That's 3-2.
I'm going with you, Keeper.
Okay, that's 3-3. What are you doing, Army?
Change it.
He said, all right, that's 4-3 for change. Crow.
What are you saying? Keep it or change it?
What?
Keep it or change it?
Keep the box or change it? Change it.
All right, that's it. Change it.
Okay.
Come on, baby. 775. 775. Woo! Good call to all my
walking away with $775.
Yes, it's a good thing he didn't go with Team Crusader on that one because he always wants to keep that case. But
hey, it worked out last time.
It did work out last time. It did. So that's how the game's played, guys. Obviously, with questions in between, we're going to talk crypto. We ultimately will talk about the token that comes on and some other stuff. But that's just having some fun with that. And just, dude, I want to have when the Santa rally's going on, I want to have like 10 grand sitting there for somebody to come on and play a Christmas special with the lowest of low numbers being hundreds of dollars. So that we can give away a bunch of freaking money. That's what I want to do for Christmas. So, yeah.
All right, how the trades looking, boys? How's the trades looking? We are 40 minutes in. We got 20 minutes left of trading.
40 minutes in.
Mm-hmm.
There's just nothing happening.
Yeah, it's pretty dead. That's
AVAX is such a headache right now, man.
It's a headache, as in it's been bonking you in the head with every trade you made.
Like I already swung and a whiff my attempt. I'm just like watching it in the back because I'm looking to get in a render trade, but it like keeps going up. It keeps going up, but like it looks at every candle, it looks like, all right, this is the last green candle. No, this is the last green candle. No, this is the last green candle, and it just keeps like sneaking up. It's up 0.4 in the last 7 minutes.
And so,
Yeah.
AJ, what are you using? Market Cipher, High IQ, and then just some trend lines? Is that how you like to trade, or how are you trading?
Well, so this is like a lot different than like a normal strat. I use Market Cipher B for the oscillator. I like the dual band strength index for really small time frames. I run a basic RSI, a visible range volume profile, an Adalia Watson envelope, and sometimes Market Cipher A and High IQ. It's a big mess.
You got a lot of confluence you're looking for. Hey,
Well,
Army Piper, shout out to you
so.
for the super chat. Giving it to Eric Wallen. You're a heck of a dude. Appreciate the love and support. Eric, there you go. You got your name on the wheel 20 times, brother.
Nice.
Good. What were you saying? AJ, I didn't mean to cut you off.
No, that was it, basically. Yeah. That's the trading cocktail.
The trading cocktail.
It's a lot at once, but it makes sense to me. I like if I was like trading like on my live stream, I wouldn't show all these indicators because it like looks like a headache, and like people, it's not like a clean look that you'd want to like have live, you know. But in my own mind, it makes sense. Yeah.
Crypto Independent said, "Whose money is it?" If you're asking whose money is it, the companies are giving the money for the game. If you're talking about Flipper Hodl, the companies are giving the money for the game, and then whoever, and then obviously it's yours if you win. You know what I mean? You're just boom. We're gonna send it right to you, and it's yours to do with as you please. Sit on it, sell it, do whatever you want. Do your thing.
I got a question I'll ask all you guys. If you had a blockchain game, would you rather it be a NFT based miniatures game or an NFT based trading card game?
What do you mean by miniatures?
Yeah,
you know, like Warhammer 40K or War
What a great game! I loved 40K when I was a kid.
Okay.
See, I'm not familiar with those games.
Or a trading card game.
Yeah.
Let me look this up. What? Tell me the name of the one game that you said. Warhammer.
Warhammer 40K.
Warhammer 40K.
It's like a tabletop. It's like a complicated game of chess.
I see. It's like Risk.
I think in a means of
like Risk.
For a means of value, I think going a trading card route would provide more value in the gamification on secondary market, at least
for collectibles.
Yeah, for resale.
I think my thought process is, Crow, which one, no matter how you play it, which one is easy to understand and engaging and addicting? Because think about how easy some of the stupid games that do so well are, like Candy Crush or whatever. Like, I'm just picking, do you know what I'm saying? Like, but it's addicting. You're always getting that little hit, that little hit, that little hit. So that would be my thought process.
Well, we've been working on the miniatures game for a while, but I think what we're going to do is we're going to pivot to a trading card game and get that going and have some really badass shit that nobody's done yet. I have some ideas on how we're going to kind of expand on, like, basically making it more of like a play to earn kind of thing with an element to it. And then we're going to use the same IP for a miniatures game later because it's a lot more involved. I'm a miniatures gaming nerd, so.
So something I want to point out is that it looks like right now BG3, Baldur's Gate 3, which is a turn-based miniatures type game.
Best game ever made.
What? Best game ever made, and they're going to absolutely kill everything this year.
Yeah.
What is this game called?
Baldur's Gate 3.
Baldur's Gate 3.
How are you spelling
Based on the Dungeons and Dragons rule set.
Yep.
That's a good game.
BALDUR.
Let's see.
Yep.
Baldur's Gate 3. I don't know what I'm just not.
Dude, you got to get your nerd cred up, Keeper. Come on,
my
man.
nerd cred is
Drop
not
a
there.
Bulletproof vest and get a pencil protector, man. Pocket protector.
Crow, what Warhammer 40K armies did you have? Crow, what Warhammer 40K armies did you play?
What? Oh, I have is it Crucible or shit? The green poison guys. I have them on a shelf over here. I have Adeptus Mechanic. I've never even played it. I just have the models because I painted them. I played War Machine.
Oh, War Machine was fun. That was like
the
smaller. They were like more metal ones.
Some of them were, yeah.
Yeah, I played that one too. That was a fun one. When I was like 12 to 15, I played a lot of games like that. It's a good time. Totally good time.
Well, I'm 46 and I still play the shit. So suck it.
Hell yeah. No, I still have all my old armies and everything like that from when I used to play that stuff. I'll never sell it.
That's what I'm thinking. That's the main one I want to play is Death Guard.
Oh, okay.
In 40K.
I've got like over 600 hours into Baldur's Gate 3 right now.
Holy shit.
Trade fly in the house.
Are you serious?
600 hours. Good.
You are not married.
I am married.
Right.
You're married, not anymore.
Married.
Did she play too?
Baldur's Gate?
No. So to be fair, I had the early release beta for like a year and a half. So
I had
giving
it
them
too,
feedback
but
before they released
I got through it, and then I'm like, I'll leave it alone until it actually launches. I don't want to ruin all that.
I like to make new characters all the time, man. See what I can come up with.
Yeah, that's cool.
Let's run around real quick. We got 100 people here. How many likes do we have? We need some more likes. Smash those likes. Simple thing to do. I want to shout out. Let's see, Trade Fly up in the house. I saw you sneak in. I know that's somebody that loves to trade. Let's check in on the trades. Speaking of trading, I know, I'm sorry guys, not trying to kill the gamer nerd, little powwow we're having there, but let's check on it real quick. Army, where are we at?
I closed out my trade at the $1.11 profit, but right now I've got a trade on waiting for this one to enter on Ethereum. We got a little platinum pocket going on here, and so I have an order set
You have a
for a limit short. Yep.
Okay.
It doesn't look like it's going to hit. It wants to get there, and I should have looked at this chart and paid a bit more attention because I was looking at the platinum pocket here coming in with the trend assist, and I was like, this looks like a good rejection point. Well, it actually rejected off of our upper trade band of our predictive ranges, which I love to trade these.
Okay.
And I didn't even enter on that one. I actually was waiting for the platinum pocket. So we'll see if it happens or not.
We'll see if it executes or not. All right. Honest, how we sitting? How we living? Is it not looking good? Well,
he's on mute right now. Okay.
Oh yeah, you're muted, brother.
Oh, big red candle. There we go.
Oh,
He's up 37 cents, baby. We green.
It's because everybody in the chat. I appreciate y'all for pushing it down, man. Keep pushing it down, man. Keep pushing it down. It's ton coin. We want it to not weigh a ton no more. Come on.
Don coin moving in the right direction. Forrest, how are things sitting for you, brother?
We're just chilling. Chain links at 1432, so we're up $60 on that. Dogecoin
back up on that.
I longed the Pico top, the local top here on the minute chart, so we're down on that $6.
So Forrest, just throwing it out there, as a team player, you could take that $60 towards that team P&L. I'm just throwing it out there, Just throwing it out there.
We could, or we could ride it to 18.
Well, this part of we isn't going to feel that. We're only going to feel whatever we get in the hour. But I'll be proud of you for it. Let it ride, baby. Let it ride. Okay, so Forrest is up. Bullish, how you sitting, bro?
About even. Just hoping this trade kind of works its way down before the next 10 minutes. Keep getting rejected here at another prime rejection area. So last time this got rejected, we dipped all the way back down around $59. So we'll see what happens. We still got 10 minutes. Or about even-ish.
So, even-ish, that means he's down, ladies and gentlemen. Just want to be clear. If even-ish it means red.
They're down about $4.20.
I'm just busting your balls. Crow.
Hey, 420. That's a good number.
How are we living, Crow?
Dude, I have no idea what happened. I had that limit in. The price came down. And it deleted it. Oh, it didn't even enter my trade. It just deleted it and then went up. And in this case, I guess it did me a favor because it
went against you anyway.
Let me protect you from yourself. I'm not going to enter this trade you set like 20 minutes ago. And then the price reversed on me anyway. So it just saved me some money, I guess.
The trading gods were looking out for you and just cleared out the trade. No harm, no foul.
Cleared it out. I watched it. And the price came down, hit it, everything disappeared, and that was it. I'm like, I guess that wasn't meant to be.
Crusader, you got to figure out how he does that. And when the trades are going against you, just make them
Yeah, I know, right? That'd be great.
Make them disappear. AJ, you still frustrated to sell down there? Or are we gonna hit
I'm not frustrated. Yeah, it's really funny that Crow said that. So I was trading on this account, like I think last week when the Binance news happened, and Goody was like short Binance, short Binance, short Binance. So I get in this big Binance short, right?
Yeah.
And I get in the short and it just boom, 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 boom downhill. I'm sitting here. I was probably up like $900 in like 3 minutes. And he was just like set like a low stop, like a stop loss. Like, you know what I mean? Like weigh in profit. And I was like, good idea. So I set it at like 750 in profits and it turned around and went through the whole thing. It didn't suck it out or anything. And I only ended up winning like $300 or something. It was very sad. It was very sad, but
you're telling me the volatility was so high that it just blasted straight through your limit and said, "See you later."
Yes.
That's not executing.
It said, "I don't care that you were trying to be cautious. You're beat," is what it said. And that was the last time I casually traded on ZoomX, to be honest with you. But with that said, I'm down. I don't even know how much I'm down. I whiffed like 3 trades for like. Okay. Anywhere between $60 to $70 a piece. Okay. One of them was 90.
All right.
And I just do really big positions, and I'm trying to catch a reversal.
Yeah.
And not working out, and that's leverage trading.
That's
especially
trading
when you're forcing a situation. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's all good.
That's
well, I showed the trading gods that I'm doing what I want, and I entered a 60x short anyway.
Oh yeah.
And I'm of course red. So the trading gods can kiss my ass. If I want to get liquidated, I'm going to, whether it likes it or not.
I like it.
I want to get crushed. I'll do it. Damn it. $64,000 trade coming from Crow. Crow, I wish you the best of luck. The team needs it. We're close. We're neck and neck. Team keeper. I can't get beat 2 seasons in a row, guys. So let me just be clear. I can't hear this man talking backstage for another month about how he's got me 2 seasons in a row, but we're winning right now. So
I'm already planning my season 3 victory, bro.
Oh, you're gonna do a little victory dance on the show for us?
Well, for me, with this trade, the price has to drop down to $12 from 37 so that the fees don't eat up my profit.
Oh my god!
I'm kidding. I'm just like messing with you, Keeper. I'm actually in profit now. Finally, it's going well. I'm up 17. Well, now it's 13. So we'll see what happens. I'm not getting out of it though.
When you're leverage trading with high leverage like that, if you sit there and just watch your P&L, there's
no way you're making money. You got to just know what you're doing. You
got to know that you're in the position correctly. Yeah.
Crow, you're going to keep it up, and Keeper's going to be asking for a 1v1 with you at the in Vegas, man.
No, I'm a lot of things. I'm not that stupid. I mean, shout out to RC. I mean, good luck to him. But
I do kind of feel bad. Hey, you know what? I have been taking a handicap because I haven't trained all week. I haven't done shit.
I've been taking a handicap.
And I'm not allowed to kick him. And I can't punch him in the teeth. So
whoa. What are you gonna do? What?
I can still kick him in the head.
Well, we brought violence today.
Crow's gonna hold his hand out on his forehead.
6'4", and I can do a lot of kicks to his head.
How are we gonna get entertaining? How are we gonna get entertainment if you can't punch him in the face and you can't kick him?
I can punch him in the face. I can hook him. I just can't deliver any straights to the teeth. That's the rule. We agreed. We're not hitting each other in the teeth, but I can kick him to the side of the head. All I need is to hit that temple one time, and he's gonna take a nap. I guarantee.
No teeth.
Yeah.
Dude, we're wearing mouthpiece. You know what I'm saying? It'll be all right.
Yeah. It'll be nice. It'll be friendly. I'm going to let him dictate a little bit. But if he gets aggressive at all, I'm just going to murder him.
Crow's just going to put his 7-foot-long arm out and hold his forehead while he drinks a beer.
He's not fooling me, man. He was 340 pounds. He's got a lot of muscle in there. So,
well, he's not a small dude either. I mean, he's what is he? What is he?
6'4", 250 or something.
Yeah.
He's not small.
No,
nobody feel bad for him.
No, absolutely not. We're all training to win and have some fun in the process. And
I guarantee he can hit it hard enough to knock anybody out. So everybody's got a puncher's chance.
Oh, everybody has that.
Be real about it.
For
I've seen some
sure.
crazy shit in fights, man.
For
You
sure.
never know.
For sure. There's
I'm
always
up $28.
Heck yeah. Moving in the
If I
right
can't
direction. We got
close it, I'll be
5 minutes.
down.
We got 5 minutes left, but I'm gonna check your progress at the 4 o'clock mark to see where it's at.
4 minutes, baby.
Keep it open and do whatever you want.
It needs to just drop like
There we go.
$300 real fast.
Bullish is profitable too right now.
Bullish.
Oh, yeah.
Down. Let's get it.
We got some profitable
yeah.
trades, guys, for sure. Let me just shout out our sponsors one more time. Thank you to Market Cypher. Thank you to HighIQ. Don't be stupid. Use HighIQ. Use the link down below if you want to check those out. And then gracias to ZoomX for providing all the liquidity for all of the traders. They have been very good to us, so we appreciate them as always. Crusader, any house cleaning stuff before we start checking on the P&Ls and whatnot? NFTs?
Oh yeah, NFTs are sitting out there right here. QR code. Go buy some. 0.1 ETH. If you get keepers or myself, somebody already has mine, is coming on the show to play, which the first bank offer pretty much pays for the NFT already. And anything else above that is going to literally make you some money. And if you win, if you get the NFT with the winning trader with the highest P&L at the end of the show, which we're going to find out in the next 2 weeks, you get 25% of the mint when all 12 of them are sold. So that's another big bonus right there. And the winning trader, they're all committing to give something from their community, some type of access to something, which also holds a lot of value. So guys, check it out. Go mint some NFTs and make some money.
You know what we should do with this damn thing? Fuck this hour. We should have like optional overtime.
Optional overtime. And what would the optional overtime look like?
It's tanking. I bet you it's going to close there in reverse too. I didn't close out. I'm not doing it. Fuck it. I was up 50 something bucks real quick at a wick, but it pulled back on me.
We got 127 people in here. Can we get to 100 likes? We got 3 minutes, guys. Everybody in here can take literally half a second for us and smash that like. If we can get to 100 likes.
Keeper, I got to roll out, my guy. I got crossfire in 3 minutes.
Man, you ain't got shit to do, AJ. What are you talking about?
Just get
what's your number, AJ? Right now.
1493.
Okay.
Lost a bit.
Okay.
All good.
Cool. Appreciate it.
Much love, guys. Looking forward to hanging out at Art Basel.
I'll see you soon.
Yeah, it's gonna be awesome.
Yeah, I'll see you soon.
Best of luck, everybody. Have a good one.
All right, bro. Have a good one.
Later.
That is
total reverse.
AJ.
Now I was up $54. Now I'm -3. So whatever.
So AJ took a little beating today. So hoping that hoping the rest of the team can prop him up a little bit. So he took
not looking good. Our boys were in profit. Now they're in the red. The timer's closing out in the last 2 minutes. Come on, red candle.
Well, your guys are what are your guys in profit as well, Crusader? I don't know.
Bullish was in profit. Crow was in
profit.
Was? Did you say was?
Yeah, shit just reversed.
Was.
We got 1 minute to tell me what that number looks like. Yeah, that's how trading that's how it be. But that's not going to be terrible. He'll be all right.
Army, how are you in your trades, man?
I've got a trade that's up 8.75, 9.43% right now, but I don't know. The fees are going to. Sorry, I didn't say that. My high leverage of covers here.
There we go. Thank you. Yeah, the high leverage covers are getting in the way. All right, so let's check on them. Army, what's your number at right now?
Closing out.
Well, you don't have to close if you don't want.
Don't short my guys here, bro. Don't short my guys.
I didn't tell him to close. I asked what his number was.
I went ahead and closed. Okay. I am at 1,057.62.
Oh, that was like $5 you lost there. That's nothing. Bullish, what are you at?
1804.
Okay, he lost $5 as well, dude. That was not. They didn't lose anything. Forrest, what are you at?
We're at 1640.
Okay, and honest.
I'm at 194.
Okay, honest hardly lost anything either. Crow.
Yeah.
Yo,
what are you at? Account balance.
I forgot I'm supposed to be doing an interview with some guy that's been in Bitcoin since 2011.
Fine. Just tell me what your account balance is, and I'll let you.
1131.
1131. All right. Yeah. Perfect. All right. Well, It was a rough day. Rough day today.
I had 6 trades today that I did.
You can use that. You ain't got nothing else on your card?
Nice.
Gazgano wants to know if we can do a season with only traders from the chat. I want to jump in. It's something that we actually are entertaining. We were entertaining the idea of figuring out who the winning traders were from a few of the seasons and bringing them on with some of the creators as well. So that's definitely something that we are looking at doing, Gazgano.
Right.
So we can definitely chat about that. But make sure that you guys are trading under our link that is in the chat. That is pinned in the chat. It's also underneath.
That's the only way to win $1,000.
Yeah, easy way to win $1,000. Everybody's down, so we put them under such hard pressure, bad positions. It can somebody can jump on.
We can't give any more money away in this channel. We're giving money away in the flipping hodl. We're giving money away in the trading competition. I mean, the NFT thing. We're just giving money left and right out here.
Just bleeding money, and we want you guys to take it home. So we appreciate each and every one of you, gentlemen. Thank you for coming on and trading. As always, we love you guys. Crypto fam, make sure to smash the like before you leave. We love you. Just remember, question everything.
Trust nothing.
And until next time, hodl
like it's hot.
We'll see you soon.